This is Mark, Head of Customer Education here at ClickFunnels, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up your custom domain using our automatic custom domain feature. The first thing that you're going to do is go to Account and click on Custom Domains. Once you've done that, you'll click Add New Domain, click Use an Existing Domain, click Automatic Setup, and then you're going to type your domain or subdomain right here in this domain field. If these fields automatically populate for Cloudflare username and email, go ahead and delete those. That's just your browser's cache. Now, if you're going to use your primary domain, you'll need to enter it as www.myfunneldomain.com. If you're going to use a subdomain, you can go ahead and enter that subdomain instead of the www, like go, or deals, or offers, or whatever it is that you want to use. For this example, I'm going to be using www.myfunneldomain.com. If you do not have a Cloudflare account, leave this as create new user, input your email address, and then input a password right here. This will create a Cloudflare account for you when you click create domain. If you do have a Cloudflare account that has not yet been connected to ClickFunnels, leave this as create new user and enter your Cloudflare user and password right here as well. If you have already set up a domain using this feature, you can go ahead and select that user from the drop-down menu. Once you have done that, you can select the root page for your domain. This is going to be the default page. I'll go ahead and select that page. And then you can also select your 404 error page. This is the page that users will be taken to if they type in an invalid URL. So I'll go ahead and select the same page in this case. I'm going to turn on SSL. I'm going to click Create Domain. Once that's been created, it's going to give me two CNAME records. Now this process is going to vary depending on who your host is. If you don't know how to add CNAME records, you'll need to contact the support team for your hosting company. So I'll be using DreamHost in this example. I'm going to add a CNAME. I'm going to select CNAME from the dropdown, type www, and the value is going to be target.clickfunnels.com. I'm going to click Add Record Now, and that CNAME record is being added. I need to add this second CNAME record, and it's this security code plus myfunneldomain.com. So I'm going to add just this first part, because it automatically adds myfunneldomain.com right here. So I'm going to paste that in here, and then I'm going to make sure this is CNAME, and then I need to add the value here. And the value is going to be this entire thing right here. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in, click Add Record Now, and that record has been added. Now, if you're only setting up a subdomain, that's all you would need to do. If you're using this as your primary domain, you're going to need to set up a redirect for myfunneldomain.com to redirect to www.myfunneldomain.com or whatever domain you're using. So I'm going to add the redirect here. I'm going to redirect myfunneldomain.com to https://www.myfunneldomain.com. Click redirect this domain. I should get a notification that it is being added. Now keep in mind that this process can take 24 to 48 hours for everything to propagate. So once you've added the domain to your account, you may not be able to use it immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to ClickFunnels. I can close this out. You'll notice that it says CNAME inactive. It's waiting for the CNAMEs to propagate. Once this CNAME is active, you can go into your funnels, find the funnel where you want to set this up. I'll go ahead and do this here in the fishbowl funnel. And then you're going to go to your funnel settings, select the domain, and then you can change this path here to whatever you like. And then you're going to go to the publishing step and do the same thing. So I'm going to call this opt-in. And this publishing step is used for when you split test. Using this publishing URL will automatically rotate users between your split test variations. I'm also going to go into the page settings and select the domain here as well. And I'll need to do this for each step. And once I've done that, I need to repeat for each page step, and then my domain will be completely set up.